we are going to learn how to draw a baby seal today. We're doing lots of winter northern animals in art, and a baby seal is going to be the first thing we're going to learn right now. You're going to need a piece of paper in landscape mode, not portrait mode. We're going to line up these papers on these letters I wrote here. And you're going to need a pencil, a black marker, and a blue and a black crayon or colored pencil. If you start with pencil first, you'll have to go over your drawing with the black marker, but I'm going to jump straight to black marker. So you can start with the pencil if that's how you feel comfortable, and then trace over it, or you can join me with just the black marker. On this right side of our paper, sort of here to the right, but in the middle, right, we're going to draw two circles. If you wanted to watch me first, then you can follow. There's one. And there's two. We want to try to make them about the same size, but if they're not exact, that's okay. Then we're going to draw two smaller circles inside the big circles that we just drew. And then we'll color everything in except for the small circle. Leaving these little white specks that add a reflection. We're going to add a little U shape to the left edge of our circle and also to the right edge, these little tiny U shapes, making him look like he has sad, cute seal eyes. And then we'll color them in. Right in the middle, right below, we're going to add a little curve. And on each side, we're going to thicken it up by widening the line just a little bit to look like his nostrils. Then we'll add a curved line to the right, starting in the middle of the nose, a curved line to the left. This makes him look like he's smiling. And then we'll add a little curved line to join the two on the bottom. And right here, in between the nostrils, we're going to do a small curved line and color in his nose. And then we'll color in the part below. If I'm going too fast, we can pause. Next, we're going to add 1, 2, 3 dots on the right side, 1, 2, 3 dots on the left side, and 3 quick lines for whiskers. We have his face completed. Now let's draw his body. On the left side, close to his left eye, maybe a finger's width away, we're going to draw a curving rainbow line that almost like we're going to draw a circle, and we're going to stop. So it starts here about midway in his face, it curves up and around, and then almost underneath his mouth here, we're going to stop. Okay. Then I'm going to just draw a short little line. It goes right to the edge of the page, but I'm not going to go much past here. I'm going to stop right there for now. So just draw a nice horizontal line almost underneath the line of his head and go ahead and just stop right there. Here where I stopped, I'm going to draw a curving U, and this is going to be his first little flipper. Over here on the right, I'm going to, from his cheek, from his head, make a curving line down to the horizontal line I just drew. Now we're going to give him some little toes by adding 3 curved lines and 3 curved lines. And if you're doing this with a pencil, that's fine. You're just going to need to go over it with your black marker later on. We are so close to being finished. Right here where his paw is, we're going to try to keep this line going, but it's going to look like it goes behind him. We're going to draw that line. Doesn't have to be perfectly straight. It's the ground, and the ground is never perfectly straight unless we're building a house, hopefully. We're going to pretend it's snow, so we're just going to leave it white down here. Draw that line from his paw all the way out to the edge. Right here, kind of on the left top of his head, we're going to draw his body. And we're going to start, you can watch first, by drawing a curved line that curves and comes down. We're going to leave a little space on this side. So start at his head, making a big curve and coming back down to the line. Then we can add his back little flipper tail back there. Now it's time to color. We're only going to need black and blue today. And in order to color him, we're going to press very lightly